Ready.
Huh?
Ready.
Oh, there's Travis. Yay! Ah! Yeah! Hurry up and take the picture! Already take it?
Sure you can say that.
Sweet! I can do it for me. Actually, I can't. Hey, what's going on back there? Ah! Run, Emily! Oh, I thought I was going running. Yeah, we're moving! I'm pushing him! Hurry up!
Got it.
Thank you! Oh, great, that fell off. That's here, Alex.
Alex, get out there!
Wait! Ah! My foot! Alex, Evan, get out! Okay, hurry up. Get out! I'm making it. I'm making it. Are you still making a video?
No, I started over a few minutes ago.
You're not allowed to see that. Help me, Principal! I'm out! Finally! You already got it? How come you did this? Let me on right now! Okay! You okay? Ow! Oh, sorry. You're making videos! And I covered it up! Okay, hurry up and get over. Hey, watch this! I can pick up Alex! Hey, Mom! I'm on! Blast!
I see. Hey, it's 7:50. Do you want us to drop you off at home, Emily, or do you want to ride?